Hi, everybody. I want to go over the week 10 assignments with you to help you know a little bit more about what you are to do. So the first item you want to take care of is to check my feedback on your Unit 3 Summary Response Planner. Please make sure, regardless of your grade, that you go in and look at my feedback, read my comments, because those will help you as you begin to work on your final essay. The second part of your assignments is indeed to begin writing the final summary response essay. There are two links here in the assignment that will be very helpful for you as you are working on that final essay. One is the sample essay, and it has some annotations on it to draw your attention to certain key aspects of this essay. So be sure to look this over. It will show you the format. It will give you some comments about things that should be in your essay. It shows you headings and other stylistic aspects that are required. It gives you examples of citations, and of course, at the end, the references page. So please look this over carefully. I think that will help you very much with writing your essay. The other item here is the rubric. And even though it's fairly long and involved, I encourage you strongly to read through the exceptional column on the rubric to see what is expected in this essay. And as you go through, it's almost like a checklist to see that you are doing everything you're supposed to. This essay is worth 200 points. It's a lot of points, 20% of your grade. So you want to make sure that you are going to be graded well on all of these different criteria. So please look over the rubric. All right, and then the next thing you want to do is to sign up for an individual conference with me. You did this for Unit 1 essay. We're going to do it again here for Unit 3. So there is a link here to the conferences sign up. Open that in a new window. You may need to make sure that you're logged in your Delaware Tech login so that you can access the document. And if you're having trouble accessing it, please let me know. Here you will see all of the days that I have available to meet with you. There are more than enough spots for everybody in the class, but I realize as an online class, students are very busy and have complicated lives. So if none of these times works for you, just email me and we'll work out a time that is convenient for both of us. I will note, though, that the last day that you can meet with me is Thursday, November 3. The final paper is due November 6. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that when we meet for our conference, you need to be able to share your screen. So make sure that you have access to a computer so that you can share your screen and not just your phone. Once you sign up for an appointment, then I will email you at your college address with your Zoom link for our meeting. And those meetings will begin as early as October 25, I believe. And that's it. Your final paper will be due in week 11, at the end of week 11. So this gives you some time to work on this very important essay. But again, make sure you sign up for your conference. This is worth 50 points, which is twice as much as it was for Unit 1. So you want to make sure that you take advantage of that time to talk with me about your progress on this important assignment. That's it for the week. Please let me know if you have any questions.